In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your mouse in BlueStacks 5. By the end, your mouse will stay safely inside your game instead of wandering onto the desktop. Start by opening BlueStacks 5 on your Windows computer. Once it loads, you should see the main BlueStacks home screen with your installed apps in the center and a toolbar along the edges. If BlueStacks is already open, you can keep it as it is. There is nothing special to prepare here. Now launch your game inside BlueStacks. Click the game icon so it opens in its own BlueStacks window. Wait until the game has fully loaded and you can see the normal gameplay screen. Most people prefer to go into a match or active gameplay area before locking the cursor, so the mouse position feels natural. Once your game is running, look to the right side of the BlueStacks window for the side toolbar. This is the vertical strip of icons. Here, find the lock and unlock cursor icon. It usually looks like a small mouse pointer with a lock symbol. If you hover over it for a moment, a tooltip appears that mentions the cursor lock, so you can be sure you have the right button. Click the lock and unlock cursor icon once. After you click it, the icon may change appearance slightly to show that locking is active. You will notice that when you move your mouse, it no longer slips out of the game window onto the Windows desktop. This means your mouse cursor will now stay inside the game window while you play. From there, you can also use the keyboard shortcut to control this. The default shortcut is the key combination Ctrl plus Shift plus F8. This shortcut is set by BlueStacks and works even if you do not click the toolbar icon. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus F8 while you are playing to lock the cursor. When the lock turns on, your mouse stays captured inside the game area. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus F8 again to unlock it. Many players find this faster than reaching for the toolbar, especially during intense gameplay. You can also press Escape to unlock the cursor if the Escape shortcut is enabled. BlueStacks has this option enabled by default, so if your mouse feels stuck and you forget the other shortcut, try tapping Escape once and the cursor should be free again so you can reach menus or the desktop. Next up, you can customize the shortcut that controls mouse lock. Open BlueStacks settings using the gear icon near the top of the window. The settings panel will appear in the middle with a list on the left and details on the right. Select shortcuts from the list. The shortcuts section shows many key combinations BlueStacks uses. This is where you can tailor controls so they do not conflict with your game bindings. Find the shortcut for lock and unlock cursor in that list. It will show the current key combination, usually Ctrl plus Shift plus F8. Make sure you are changing that specific one so other shortcuts are not affected. Click the shortcut box for lock and unlock cursor. The box will highlight, and BlueStacks now waits for you to press a new combination. While it is waiting, avoid pressing keys you use constantly in-game so you do not create an accidental conflict. Press your preferred key combination. For example, you might choose Ctrl plus Alt plus a function key that your game does not use. As soon as you press it, the new keys will appear in the shortcut box and are ready to be applied. Click Save Changes. BlueStacks will apply the new shortcut right away, and from now on that key combination will lock and unlock your mouse cursor inside the game window. You have now learned how to lock and unlock your mouse in BlueStacks 5 using both the toolbar button and custom keyboard shortcuts. If this helped you keep your cursor inside your games, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you want more simple BlueStacks tips, feel free to subscribe.